Hello everyone. So what do we have today? We have this BEDMAS question. You can either say BEDMAS or BEDMAS or BODMAS as well. In different countries it is known as differently. So we have BODMAS question. Okay. Here we don't have this exponents E for exponents, I for indices, O for off. Okay. We don't have this. We have brackets in this question. We have division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. And we know the order, right? Like we will solve brackets first and then division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. If we see here, we will start with the small bracket. Okay. So we have 1 divided by capital bracket. I will write as it is. So 1 plus 1 divided by middle bracket, 1 plus 1 divided by. Now I will solve this bracket first. Okay. So what is this? This is 1 plus, in bracket as well we will follow the order of operations. So we will solve division first, not this. You cannot write it as 2 divided by 2. You will not solve addition first. Here as well you will solve division first. So it is 1 plus 1 by 2 and then you got this, right? Okay. So 1 divided by 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1 divided by, this is 1 plus 1 by 2 is 3 by 2. Now we are done with small bracket. Now we'll solve the middle bracket one. Okay. So 1 divided by 1 plus 1 divided by. Okay. In here as well 1 plus 1. We will solve this first. What is 1 divided by 3 by 2? It is actually 1 multiplied 2 by 3. Right? Okay. So 1 divided by 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 2 by 3. Right? Okay, now 1 divided by 1 plus 1 divided by. What is 1 plus 2 by 3? If you make the denominator same, it will become 5 by 3, right? Here. Now we have this 1 divided by 1 plus 1 multiply 3 by 5, right? We will again solve the division part first. So 1 divided by, this is 1 plus 3 by 5. Now again when you make the denominator same, it is nothing but 5 by 5. That means this is 8 by 5, right? And then this is 1 multiply 5 by 8. So answer is what? 5 by 8. So I hope you understood this BODMAS, BEDMAS question. If you like this, please follow my channel, and for more such videos visit my channel. You will find maths Olympiad questions, concept questions and short tricks as well. Thank you.